Hello, I'm Crystal. I'll be your instructional artist today. What we're going to go over is creating this little masterpiece. Well, big masterpiece, but if you want to make a smaller masterpiece, we got this little guy here, right? It depends on what size canvas you want to use. Today I decided to go this size. I already painted it black. That is the first step. You want to use a pre-gessoed canvas, which is spelled G-E-S-S-O if you want to look that up. You can buy your own and paint your canvas with gesso first before, just so it's a smooth application for the paint, and it also doesn't use more paint than necessary. Another thing is, if you want to frame it, you don't have to do the edges, but if you don't want to frame it, make sure you get the edges. I don't think you need to see me paint a whole canvas black. I know you can handle that on your own, but to prepare you for the next tutorial, you can either grab spatulas like these, different sizes, and this is what I used. But if you want to save some time and you don't have those, you can just grab regular, if someone in your house has these, also can work that way. Now you can see with this one, it's a little bit more blue, and with my smaller one I used a little bit more green. You can use whatever colors your heart desires. It can be abstract, it can be more literal. There's no judgment here. It's just a fun, free zone for expression and creative outlet, so don't overthink it. Just paint your sized canvas black. Let it dry. The thicker you make it, the longer it's going to take to dry. So just make sure you cover it thoroughly. We don't want the canvas poking through, the white canvas poking through it all. And make sure you get those sides if you want. So see you in the next one.